Visa, Amex, Mastercard, and others are being destroyed by Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu, an Ethereum substitute for Deutsche Coin, is one of the most well-known meme cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu has been having trouble since its price has dropped by more than 88% from its peak. But with price increases over the last few days, a fresh trend for Shiba Inus may be detected after many years of reductions. In the previous day, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 3.6%. This happened after Shiba Inu's principal developer, Satoshi Kusama, announced the much-anticipated release of Shibarium, the platform's Layer 2 blockchain. Shibarium's impending release was revealed by Kusama through a tweet, which raised the price of Shiba Inus. Only time will tell whether this increase of Shiba Inus will persist. We'll discuss about Shiba Inus in this video. Visa, Amex, Mastercard, and more Shiba Inus are actually being destroyed by Coin. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Watch what Shiba Inu does on September 5th. Over the last 24 hours, Shiba Inus have increased by 3%. Shib is now trading at $0.85119, up 3% in the previous day. With returns of roughly 6% over the previous 30 days, Shiba Inu has fared well in the first 4 days of the month. The asset is still 9% in the red, however, since the current rally hasn't yet been able to make up for the weak August performance. Finance said over the phone today, September 5, that the corresponding spot trading pair's respective trade had been discontinued. Arsenic was specified using the following chemical names: ETH cell, ETH, and DAR ETH. Nevertheless, the tokens made successful spot trading pairings between Volition and active beryllium available to clients through various trading choices linked to the exchange. Binance wants to provide its consumers a better moving experience. The Shibarium solution development team has used Twitter to give much light on the much-anticipated event as the motorboat draws near. In particular, the team debunked claims that certain Astra tokens needed a winning offer in order to use the calling network. Developers claim that when it comes to Shibarium, BONE is still the lone token of choice for state fees and use. The team also noted Shibarium's affiliation with the Shib assemblage and how its coagulated installation serves as an innovative component of the shifting Shib arsenic ecology. The U.S. economy statistics fueled demand for riskier assets on Friday. Softer pay growth and a contraction in the non-manufacturing sector were behind a change in mindset that supported the Nasdaq index gain. The U.S. jobs report and ISM non-manufacturing PMI also moderated some of the hawkish October Fed interest rate increase. The S&P 500 gained 2.28%, while the Nasdaq index increased by 2.56%. Investor hope for the Shibarium improvement is contributing to the upbeat day. By adding, well, on our last post, we wanted to remind that BONE serves as the required gas token for operability within the Shibarium. The Shibarium network provided its most recent update on the Shibarium upgrade. Additionally, we want to explicitly declare that every Shibarium trade will cause Shib to be burned. The Shibarium network said, "We are currently concentrating on delivery. As we get closer to the beta launch, please stay tuned for further details." For any updates on the protocol, please visit our official portals and follow at shibarium.net. This news fueled a bullish morning session on the Shib with greater burn rates. Shib price positive Shiba Inus have lost 3% of their value as a whale just displaced a big Shib stack valued $28.7 million. Shib had a good start to month since the meme currency had been on the rise for the first 4 days of the year. However, the asset turned downward and has now nearly completely erased the gains from the previous advance. Investors in Shib are still 3% better off in terms of the weekly returns at this time. Nevertheless, these gains are far lower than the 7% number witnessed yesterday, indicating that the slump is undoing all of the previous advancements the currency has achieved. According to information provided by the cryptocurrency transaction tracking firm Whale Alert, a significant Shiba Inu transfer was seen on the Ethereum blockchain the previous day. 3,373,256,285,000 SHIB were transferred as part of this deal, which was worth more than $28.7 million at the time. It seems that this transaction had unidentified addresses for both the sending and the receiving parties. Such addresses are probably personal wallets, as they aren't connected to any established centralized platform. The sender of this transfer is almost certainly a whale, since it entails moving a large quantity of money. As the receiving end is often an exchange where selling is the goal, it is unclear what the whale meant to accomplish with this transaction. However, the identical stack of coins is now worth $27.7 million, since the price dropped after this transaction. However, the fact that the currency has just overtaken the top 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales in terms of trading volume may be encouraging for SHIB holders. The increasing interest may be for selling, much like the whale from yesterday, according to whale statistics. However, considering that this trading activity occurred after the price had already begun to fall, it could be better to purchase. After rising over the 50-day moving average, the Shiba Inu price forecast has changed to optimistic. Shiba Inu, a well-known meme currency, is moving toward a technical development that will alter the rules of the game. To thank the SHIB community for generating interest in the next phased rollout, the Shibarium development team also refuted worries that it will have more than one token for the gas tax. SHIBASWAP is the only cryptocurrency that may be used for transaction fees. The lack of additional tokens making use of the protocol unnecessary has eased the development team. To release the Shibarium beta as soon as possible, the team is collaborating with Xfund as well. Shiba Inu's layer of Shibarium, the ERC20 coin, is intended to become an autonomous ecosystem using two solutions. The value of Shib, the foundational token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, also rose. It relates to the recent news that some of Shibarium's source code is now accessible on GitHub. One forward-thinking Shiba Inu community member went one step further and created a social networking website, while the Shiba Inu army awaited Shibarium. A member of the Shib army created the social networking site ShibDream VIP. Additionally, ShibDream said that iOS and Android applications will be accessible soon. The Shib Army VIP app will be useful for news, events, and other activities in the neighborhood. Additionally, registered users may utilize the intuitive structure to find the most popular hashtags, community members, and employment possibilities. After ShibDream revealed that the Shib Army was not created by the official Shib development team VIP Enterprise, Shib's burn rate rose. The developer launched ShibDream NFTs and helped run a Shiba Inu news site. On the other hand, it may raise the price of Shib. Shiba Inus were invented by the well-known Satoshi Kusama. Kusama has accumulated more than 865,000 Twitter followers while staying unknown. On the other side, Kusama wants to tell the Shib army who he is. On August 28, Twitter user ShibBPP posted an interesting screenshot in one of his most recent posts. The picture shows a Discord discussion that Kusama started, in which he claims that after talking to his mentor, they both understood it would be difficult to stay inconspicuous towards the end of the year as the Shib community awaits Shibarium. Many users of the well-known K9 money seem to have calmed down as a result of Satoshi Kusama's Christmas greeting. The surprisingly elevated Shib burning rate served as evidence. The phrase "that's a wrap for today" also caused the value of Shib to rise. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it, and subscribe to the channel.